Hello guys, how you doing? Welcome to my channel, Armanamus. As you might know, the virtual reality idea has always been fascinating for human beings. Today I'm gonna unbox a VR headset for cell phones, so stay tuned. Okay guys, this is the virtual reality headset that I ordered on Amazon a few days ago. The brand of the headset is AgQrDkrc, and this is how the box looks like. Now let's open it to see what is inside. This is the headset. This is the handle, and we got an instruction booklet here in multiple languages. Then there is a cloth cleaning. This is the instruction booklet for the handle. Now let's uncover it to see how it works. This is the overall look. Okay, here this is the where that you have to put your cell phone. This is a detachable frame. You can remove it for larger screen cell phones. This headset is made for 5 to 7 inches cell phones, and you can detach the frame to use larger screen cell phones. Here we have a pitch adjustment wheel, which is used to adjust the interpupillary distance, and at the bottom there are two distance setting buttons, which are used to adjust the clarity for nearsighted or far-sighted users. The myopia can be adjusted within 800 degrees, and in the inside you have a mask. It's made of a breathable sponge to make it feel good on face. And here are the straps. This is the headband, which gives you more control while using. And the inside there are two lenses. There is a piece of plastic on it. You have to remove it for use later. And let's check the handle. This is the handle. Here there is a something like mouse, and there are different buttons with multiple functions. There are two other buttons here, and it uses two batteries. Okay, let's check this out to see how it works. So I had it tested with my own cell phone. My cell phone has a large screen, around 6.5 inches, so I had to detach the frame. Generally, it was my first experience with a VR headset, and it was not as good as I thought it would be. But the truth of the matter is that you shouldn't expect more from a $50 VR headset. I think cell phone based VR headsets have a long way to go, and there are a lot of room for improvement for these headsets and for this VR based stuff. Based on my own experience, I think there are two important tips you should take into consideration while using these cell phone based headsets. The first one is the quality of the video you're gonna watch is of great importance. It must be at least 1080 pixels. I watched one video with 4K quality. It was better, but you should bear in mind that quality of the video is of great importance for these cell phone based VR headsets. Another thing, another tip you should bear in mind is that you should use the right app. The VR app player you're gonna use on your cell phone makes a lot of difference. I tried out 5 or 6 VR apps on App Store, and only one was appropriate and suitable for me, and the one had a 360-degree option. My video wasn't 360-degree, but I used that option, and it improved my experience. So make sure you pay attention to the app you're gonna use, because it makes a lot of difference on your experience. Generally, if you're gonna buy cell phone based headsets, I suggest you go for other types of headsets, especially those like Oculus, Meta Oculus, which are not cell phone based. I think, as I mentioned before, these cell phone based headsets have a long way to go, and they're not mature enough yet. So you should better go for more higher quality products. There are of course more expensive, but it is worth it, because you pay one and you enjoy it forever. And to recapitulate, before you buy a cell phone based headset, you should do research in order to choose the best one. There are a lot of products in the market, so it's a difficult job. You're gonna have a difficult job to research. Anyway, I think virtual reality industry and science have a long way to go. We haven't reached that maturity level yet, but in the foreseeable future, I think we're gonna have a better experience with VR tools. And at the end, I'm gonna thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and have a good day.